Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is in the world, wherever you're watching this. At the time of this recording, the flash crash is still happening, and I'm loving it because this is a great chance, a great opportunity to add on to your highest conviction plays. And I'm going to talk a little bit more about that in this video and where I'm looking and where you could be looking in terms of adding on to your positions, opening up new positions. All of that in this video. I just bought some more assets again this morning. I bought 5 assets yesterday. It's great to have some dry powder or some money on the sidelines when these events happen, right? Because then you're prepared to add on to your positions. Now, the people who are new to crypto, maybe they're freaking out and they're selling. But the retail investors who are buying the dips right now and or holding through it, those are the investors, in my opinion, who will win in the end. Because these are the greatest opportunities to buy. When everybody is freaking out psychologically, you're like, the market's going down, I don't want to buy right now. This is the time to do it, okay? So, just want to say that for anybody new out there. I know some of the people who listen to this channel have heard me say this over and over and over, but there are some new people popping in from time to time, so something we stress all the time on the channel is buy low, sell high. Go to your highest conviction plays when the market's down. And here we go. Market is down. So we're going to our highest conviction plays. So, I mean, I'll just kind of run down here and give you my thoughts here. Bitcoin, obviously, great time to get into Bitcoin if you're in it, whether you're not in it. 46.5, I think it's a great opportunity. Ethereum, same thing. I think you have an opportunity to bounce in here if you're not yet in ETH. I'm staying pat because most of my ETH has been bought sub 2,000 and low 2,000s. But I have added on more over the $3,000 mark. But right now I'm focusing on ADA, which I think under 240 here, great get, okay? XRP at 109, I think another great opportunity, okay? Great opportunity here. All right, so Solana has dipped down 13%. Is this an opportunity to get into Sol finally if you're still on the sideline? I think it's definitely an opportunity here at 163. I would definitely take a look at it. I think, yes, I think you can definitely take a stab. Dogecoin underneath 25 cents. Love it. Polkadot as well. Uniswap. What are the ones that I really like, though, at these price points? Polygon at 131. Really like it. Avalanche way down at 36. If you missed the boat on this thing almost went to $60. I think this is a great spot. So if you want to get an Avalanche, this is a good play. Filecoin at 82, great spot. Again, okay, still up in the week, but VeChain, I'm in this one very low. A lot of my average cost is somewhere between 5 cents or something like that, 4 and 5 cents. So I'm staying pat. But if you're in VeChain and say your average cost is around 12, 13 cents, great opportunity to lower that down. Theta, great opportunity to open up a position, or just buy more. Down 22%. Algorand, that one's running up like crazy, huh? Pretty crazy. Crypto.com, 16 cents. Good opportunity. Axie Infinity, down at 65. I think this is a good spot. This has been as high as 90-something, so that's a big correction there. And, yeah, it's a good spot. Phantom as well. Phantom has been running high, still up 78% in the week, but a little pullback here. So if you missed the boat, want to jump back in, go ahead. And then Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu down here for sure. I think AMP too. Sub 6 cents. It's a good spot. Where is SHIB? SHIB is somewhere. I must have just passed it up. There it is. 5.8 level. I think it's a great spot. It has that support at 5.5. Yeah, I would take a stab. T-Fuel, this is right where I got in. 32 cents. Down 18%. I think there's definitely some support here. I think it's a good spot. Decentraland down to 83. Why not? It's been up over $1. It'll bounce back. Engine Coin, another one. It's been over $2 here recently. I could go back to the well there. Harmony One. Zilliqa. Why not? Okay. So I'm giving you a couple different ones to kind of consider here and go through. So let's take a look at Crypto Fear and Greed Index here, because this is kind of what indicated the correction coming. We didn't know it was going to be this big of a correction, but now we're dialed way back into the neutral zone. So this is good. There's going to be buyers coming in, I think, now. And looking at the Fear and Greed Index, buyers will be coming in. I think this correction, give it another day or so. I think slowly today we're going to head back in the green direction, okay, and to the upside, okay? That's what I think is going to happen. We went from extreme greed yesterday to neutral today, so that's a big shift, okay, in a 24-hour period. I think that's good for the overall market, though. I don't think this is going to be long lasting. Okay, real quick, Patreon page, we got our supporter and insider levels. So insider level, you're going to get portfolio guidance, hot weekly crypto alerts, buy and sell trade alerts. It's an unbelievable community to be a part of. I love helping people. That's why I do this on YouTube. So I've got the Patreon page. That's why I'm a professor. My whole life has been surrounded by helping others. That's kind of my passion. I get a lot of gratitude, and I'm grateful that I'm able to do this here on YouTube. So if you want a community to help you along in your crypto journey, you have questions about ledgers, you have questions about mining, whatever it is, we've got a channel for you on the Discord. Come on over and join us, and we'd love to have you join the team over there. Link is down in the description for that, okay? All right, let's go through some chart patterns here a little bit here. So just going to kind of run through these. Why not? We got SHIB and Doge, okay? Probably pretty similar. Yep, very similar, okay? We've got ADA still selling off here a little bit. Let's see here, ADA. There's ADA coming back a little bit though, bouncing back off these lows. Here's ETH. It's very similar. Bitcoin, very similar. XRP, another good opportunity here on XRP. Matic, Polygon, VeChain, very similar patterns here, you can tell, okay? Here's Chainlink. Chainlink was running up for a while. XLM. There's XLM. Here's Solana. This will be an interesting one to kind of look at. Okay. Just basically kind of leveled off there and selling off still a little bit, okay? Crowcoin. Crowcoin selling off big time. Good opportunity to buy here, buy the dip. Let's see, what else do we got? Let's look at another few here. Axie Infinity, I'm curious to see here. AXS, big sell-off here. Good opportunity to buy that dip. Look at that. Here's AMP. Okay, consolidating here, mid-fives. Algorand, let's look at this one because this one is running like crazy. Algorand, look at that. Crazy volume coming in. So the institutions are backing this one. They are jumping into Algorand, and came all the way down with the crash to about 117 and has since just exploded here today in the 24-hour period. So that's an interesting one to watch. Mina as well. Mina. So shout out to Tori McFarlane. This is one that Tori likes, private Discord member. So there you go. There's a little update on kind of the chart patterns, what I'm watching in the market. I think it's just a great opportunity to buy across the board. Some of the big news stories across the board here. Bitcoin ETF could be imminent. We've been hearing that for a while, though, so I won't hold my breath until I see something that really catches my eye. Ethereum fees are skyrocketing once again on the crash and the NFT minting event. Vitalik Buterin put out some interesting words on his Twitter account. Make sure you check that out. I actually tweeted about it. You can follow me on Twitter at @Z_Humphries. And DeFi tokens hit hard as crypto market correction continues. And all of DeFi has been skyrocketing, so it's to no surprise that it's been being hit hard. But I don't think it'll be hit hard forever. Of course, I think it'll bounce back, and we're going to be looking back at this a couple weeks from now saying, man, I wish I'd have bought the dip a little bit more. So that's kind of my thoughts here. Why the crypto market crash is still happening, and I'm enjoying it. It's time to go shopping. So let me know your thoughts down below. What assets are you buying? Let me know down below in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next one.